Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix LinkedIn login problems. Verification errors explained step by step clearly. First, confirm your internet connection is stable by opening another website and checking if it loads normally. Next, close the LinkedIn app or browser tab completely and reopen it to clear a temporary session issue. Then, double-check your email address or phone number and password for typos, extra spaces, and correct keyboard language. If you use a password manager, copy and paste the login details to avoid hidden character mistakes. Go to LinkedIn in an incognito or private window to test whether browser cache or extensions are causing the error. If incognito works, clear your browser cache and cookies for LinkedIn. Come and try again. Disable ad blockers, script blockers, VPNs, and proxy tools temporarily because they can trigger verification loops. Switch to a different browser or update your current browser to the latest version. If you are on the mobile app, update LinkedIn from the App Store or Google Play and restart your phone. Check the date and time settings on your device and set them to automatic because incorrect time can break verification. If you see a CAPTCHA error, refresh the page once and complete the CAPTCHA slowly and accurately. If the CAPTCHA keeps repeating, change networks from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you are asked for email verification, open your inbox and search for LinkedIn verification, including spam and promotions folders. If the verification email is missing, request a new code and wait at least a few minutes before trying again. If you are using SMS verification, ensure your phone has signal and can receive text from short codes. If the SMS code does not arrive, request the code again and avoid requesting too many times in a short period. If you requested too many codes, stop and wait 15 to 60 minutes to let the security limit reset. If you changed your phone number recently, update your LinkedIn contact info once you regain access to prevent future issues. Use the Forgot Password option to reset your password if you suspect the password is wrong or compromised. Create a strong new password and do not reuse old passwords that may have been leaked. If LinkedIn says unusual activity, confirm the login attempt is yours and complete any security prompts shown. Check your email for a security alert from LinkedIn and follow the link to approve or deny the sign-in. If your account is temporarily restricted, open LinkedIn Help and submit an identity verification request with clear documents if needed. Make sure your name on the document matches your LinkedIn profile to reduce verification rejection. If you cannot access your email, recover the email account first because LinkedIn verification depends on it. If you are on a work or school network, try logging in from a personal network because strict firewalls can block verification. Check LinkedIn service status by searching online for LinkedIn Down to confirm whether there is an outage. If the problem continues after all steps, contact LinkedIn support with screenshots of the exact error message and the time it occurred. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.